In this video, we'll show how the Removable Media Control module protects the security of portable storage devices and the data they contain. This module allows organizations to register, classify, and encrypt removable media, providing full protection for both the device and the files stored on it. Let's walk through the process step by step.
Before any device can be protected, it must first be registered in the system. From the console, click Category Management, then open Removable Media Operation. Under the Unregistered category, all unregistered removable devices are listed. Select a USB drive to register. Here, you can define the validity period, device name, department, device user, and contact information. You can also assign the device to a custom category for more granular control. Once registered, the system recognizes the device, and you can quickly review its usage records. At this point, the device is still unencrypted, meaning the data is not yet fully protected. To secure the contents, the next step is disk encryption. Converting a USB drive into an encrypted disk ensures that data cannot be accessed without proper authorization. Note, this process will format the USB drive, so be sure to back up any important data first. Click the disk icon to view Connected Removable Storage, select the target drive, click the Settings icon, and choose Format as Encrypted Disk. Select the file system, NTFS is recommended, and confirm that all data has been backed up. Click OK to begin formatting. Once the process completes, the USB drive becomes an encrypted disk, accessible only to users with encrypted disk readable permission. Now we verify that the marketing department cannot access the encrypted disk before authorization. As you can see, it cannot be opened. Next, we'll assign access to a department. Click Advanced Policy, then open Removable Media. Select the department. Here, we choose Marketing, and click the red plus icon to create a policy. By default, the disk option is set to All, including the encrypted disk. After saving, Marketing can read and write to the USB drive. Let's test with the Finance department next. As expected, without authorization, the encrypted disk cannot be accessed. Now that the disk is encrypted, we can control how files are handled on the USB drive. Open the policy again and enable Auto Encrypt under Writable. This ensures that any file copied to the USB drive is automatically encrypted. At this stage, Auto Decrypt is still disabled. If we copy an unencrypted PDF to the USB drive and try to open it, access is denied because the file is encrypted. Next, enable Auto Decrypt under Readable. Now, when we copy the file back to the local computer, it can be opened normally. while the original on the USB drive remains encrypted. This ensures that even if the USB drive is removed, the data cannot be accessed without authorization.
Monitoring activity is critical for auditing and compliance. So finally, let's check the removable media logs. Click Events Log, then select Removable Media. Here you can see detailed records of all file operations on removable devices, including operation type, user, category, disk type, source file, and application. By viewing the log properties, you can also see the detailed registration information of the USB drive, as well as the destination path of the files after each operation. Using the search panel on the right, you can quickly filter and locate specific records for auditing purposes. The Removable Media Control module combines device registration, disk encryption, file-level protection, and full audit logging to provide comprehensive security for portable storage and sensitive data. By controlling both who can access the device and how files are handled, AnySecura ensures that removable media cannot be used to compromise your organization's data. Thank you for watching.